What's going on, everyone? It's rgbtech back here again. And in today's video, we're taking a look at the all-new Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. This is possibly the craziest rugged phone yet, with a built-in projector, a monster 25,500 mAh battery, and some seriously over-the-top features. So let's check it out. Alright, so opening up the box, we've got the Armor 34 Pro right on top, and wow. This thing is a brick. I mean that in the best way possible. 66-watt power adapter, data cable, and user manuals, cards and stuff. Screen protector, lanyard, and SIM needle. And let's check out the card slot. Alright, so this one comes with a dedicated SIM card and micro SD slot. Now let's power on the phone. And right out of the box, it boots into clean, stock Android 15 with no bloatware. Up front, you're getting a large 6.95-inch Full HD Plus display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and media. It's got that chunky, rugged frame, and yes, it's certified with IP68, 69K, and EMEAL standard durability. So it can handle drops, dust, and water with ease. This beast packs an insane 25,500 mAh battery with support for 66-watt fast charging and 10-watt reverse charging. This thing can last for days, no exaggeration. And yes, it can even charge up your other devices like a power bank. Now here's the crazy part. It has a built-in projector with autofocus and up to 150 lumens brightness. You can easily project movies or slides up to 100 inches. There's also a super bright LED camping light with SOS, red-blue warning, and flashing modes. You're also getting the U Smart Connector 2.0 for external modules. On the back, you've got a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 64-megapixel infrared night vision camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide macro lens. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera and support for underwater photography mode, which is always a nice bonus on rugged phones. This one runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chip, backed by 16 gigs of RAM and a massive 512 gigs UFS 3.1 storage. You can expand the RAM virtually and even add a micro SD card. It handles multitasking and heavy games with ease and comes with dual cooling fans built in to keep things cool during longer sessions. So yeah, the Armor 34 Pro isn't your typical rugged phone. You're getting a projector, a camping light, a huge battery, top-tier durability, and a surprisingly smooth user experience, all in one extreme package. And right now, you can grab it for just $499 as part of the early bird sale, limited to the first 500 units between June 16th to June 25th. Honestly, that's an insane value for what you're getting. What do you think about the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.